guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm just going to show you how to play The One by Taylor Swift. So for this song, again, I just want to say that there's not much guitar part or much guitar instrumental in this song of Taylor Swift's new album came out. So lot of song obviously, and I see that hardly there is any song which has some cool guitar and all. Everything is based on piano, which made a bit sad. But never mind, you can always transpose to the chords on the guitar. So let's have a look at it, and there's nothing much to learn in this song. So let's hop into it, or just have a look at the structure. We start off with the intro, then you have the verse, then a pre-chorus, then a chorus, then another verse, then another pre-chorus, and another chorus. After the chorus, we have the bridge and the last chorus. Now, throughout the whole song, we just have two parts to learn. So just have a look at the chords, and I'm just gonna break down everything for you. Super easy once again. First chord is F, which is 1 3 3 2 1 1. Next chord is a C, which is mute 3 2 0 1 0. Next chord is a E minor, which is mute open second second 1 open. Then a D minor, which is mute mute open second third first. Mute mute open second third first. Now for the intro, for the verse, and for the pre-chorus, our chord progression has just two chords, which is F and a C. So 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, that goes on. So told you, super easy, and that's the reason we're here. Another string pattern which you can just apply for the pre-chorus and for the chorus is 4 downstroke on each chord, which will be normal 4 downs. So 1 2 3 4, everything is equal. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So it's super easy. Down 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 down. That goes on for the intro, for the verse, for the pre-chorus. Now you have the chorus and the bridge left. For that, our chord progression will be an A minor, then a C, then an F, then a C, then a D minor, then a C, then an F, then a C, and that goes in a loop throughout the whole song. And if you just apply 4 downstroke on each chord, it will be sounding something like this. That goes on and on and on and on throughout the whole song. Now if you just have a look at this riff, I saw that it actually goes. So a little bit of guitar we have. It's based on the A minor pentatonic scale over here. So yeah, I play 5 on the D, 7 on the D, then I play 3 times 5 5 5 on the G, then I play 7 on the D, then 5 on the G. Palm muting added, having this part of your hand rested in front of the bridge of the guitar, get a very nice and soft sound. So you go. And that's, I think it's almost everything you need for this lesson. So to make sure dropping one of these. Hopefully by tomorrow I'm just gonna cover the full album. So make sure to have a look at my playlist. And Friday did a lot of music and successfully will do all the song which is released today. A lot of hard work actually requires, frankly speaking, guys. So make sure to subscribe, because I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers as fast as possible. Whenever I see this corona shit actually goes out, I will be doing something very super special for you guys. And I'll see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye.